There's far more to Chicago than just great food, interesting architecture, and the music scene. I'm Karen Chapman, here for GardenDesign.com, and I'm excited to offer this idea for a fun, self-guided day trip to 3 public gardens as recommended by horticulturalist Lisa Hilgenberg. Lisa recommends you begin your day at the Lurie Garden, a remarkable oasis that connects nature to the city's heritage. From here you'll visit Garfield Park Conservatory, see plant collections grown in naturalistic settings, before heading to the Chicago Botanic Garden, where there's always something new to see. So pack your camera and get ready for a really special day out. And don't forget to sign up for our free newsletter. You'll learn what to do in your garden each season, what to plant, learn about garden tours and local events. Sign up on our website at GardenDesign.com.